Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to talk about this great platform the name it is Kahoot. Kahoot it is a great tool for students and teachers because it allows to create quizzes, surveys, and discussions. But let's start. First, we need to create an account. We need to go to the website and or on the app and click on sign up. I just write down here Kahoot, and then if you already have the app, you can do that. But here we can sign up. Mm, I already have an account, but if you don't have, this is going to be the way that you are going to create. You can choose any of this professor, and you can add here one. And I'm going to add my email address because I already have an account, and it is going to be directly with Kahoot. Right here, it is the Kahoot page. Well, as you can see, we have a lot of information, library. You can discover something in some groups. If you would like to learn like a new language, right here, and everything. I have some Kahoots right here, but today we are going to create one. Let's start and create that. We are going to click on the create button right here, and we can choose here, and there is some options. If you already have like a PDF, you can add here, or IA. And if you already have an presentation, also you can use that. But here we are going to add the tile about what you are going to create. In my case, I'm going to use the simple present, and then um it allows you to add like a lot of steps, and also you can add some information. For example, this I'm going to add this is for this material is for review. What is okay. And then there is an options if you would like to have like a private public. In my case, I'm going to have public because I will share with my students. Right here we have our languages. I have Spanish, but because I am teaching English, and I'm going to add that. But let's check right here. English right here. I just change, and right here is ready. I'm going to add the first image in order they have some images right here, but I already have mine. If you have yours, you can use that one. For example, I have here um they the question would be they, and here the space. I'm going to write here. Oh, no. Well, I'm going to leave just an space right here. Just a space day today. Okay. What they are doing. And there is four options. It's 10. They eat. Okay. They have a multiple options right here, and one of them, it is going to be the correct one. This is the correct one, and we can add like here, for example, if you would like to have like your students answer in 20 seconds, 30 seconds, something, you can change the image too. And then we are going to add another question, false or true. We are going to add the other image too. Here runs every day. It is correct or it is false? It is true. Okay. Because it is very easy, the question, we just add 20 minutes, 20 seconds, and we can add another one. For example, here. Uh, in this case, we can add, for example, what it does. What he does, and the what he does, and we are going to add the answer. He plays the piano. This is the answer, and we just save right here, and we just have here this activity, and we can check, like, this is going to be the way that our students, they are going to be, and we can play with them if we would like to, like, this is going to be the way that we are going to use that. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed that, and this is the video tutorial about the Kahoot. After we finish, we can use the initiate that, this one, it is going to be the weight. Our students, they can go ahead and just scan this QR code and add this pin, and then we can start present that. Once they are going to be there, all our students, we can click right here in begin, and then we are going to be able to present our job with our student. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and have a great day.